Hello guys, a very good evening. Let us talk about important matters. Team Chamisa was in Midlands province. It was led by Amos Chibaya and Comrade Ostalos. These are the two key people who were in the Midlands province. And Amos Chibaya is the organizer, and Comrade Ostalos is also the spokesperson. So there is a lot which is happening at this moment in time in the politics of Zimbabwe. And let me try to bring this right here onto the screen so that you will know what was happening in the Midlands province.
What I have said.
Okay, so I have lost access to my videos right here. Let me see if I can find them. I have misplaced those videos because of internet connection. Let me try to bring them back so that you hear what was happening in the Midlands province. So this is Team Chamisa in Midlands province, and you can see the numbers, Team Zimbabwe, which are right there on the screen. This shows kuti Chamisa ari kudiwa guys nyika yese. I can tell you kuti these are not supporters. These are members of Team Chamisa. These are people who are supporting the vision of the brand Nelson Chamisa. These are the people who believe in Nelson Chamisa. These are leaders of various areas across the Midlands province, which means it's from the province itself going down to the village point person or to the street point person. These are the people who gathered right there. Imagine if the people had come for a rally. This was not a rally. This was a leaders meeting, a provincial leaders meeting, and these are the leaders who stopped by, who came to actually witness the next step. Remember, President Nelson Chamisa is not there; he wasn't there, but these people came. Let us hear Comrade Ostalos speaking.
Tangakudzai munondiziva ndinoita Ostalo sisi ndini mutauriri wenyu mashoko andinokuudzai ndeyekuti zivai kuti kwatakuenda vaChamisa vachamuka vane simba nekuti simba rinobva kuvanhu. Simba haribvi panyaya yezvigaro. Vazhinji muchivaona kuHarare kuvakudududza nenyaya yezvigaro, but imimi vanhu vechiruma ndinokutendai nekuti ndimi ma-anchors nema-drivers of this project inotungamirwa navaChamisa. Saka mashoko angu ndekukutendai kuti magona mauya fambai zvakanaka, isiteti nemi Zimbabwe itsva iri kuuya. Zani ingasunga vanhu ingaita sei? Isu we fight and they will fight. Kunotiziva hatidududzi vaChamisa tinoramba tinavo kusvika New Zimbabwe yauya. Thank you.
So what is important and key is to acknowledge that indeed there is a plan. President Nelson Chamisa is actually working on something and planning something big, and the people of Zimbabwe need to remain resolute and committed to the struggle. So people are reaffirming their support to President Nelson Chamisa, and this has never happened in Zimbabwe in the history of Zimbabwe. Kuti somebody dumps a political party and people still follow him just like this. It has never happened. So one key point right here is that there is action which is going to follow, and Team Chamisa is determined to make sure that there is change in the nation of Zimbabwe, and we believe change is coming. That is the reason why these people are being attacked. Remember, Comrade Salos is one of the young people who are taking a lead in the politics of Zimbabwe. He's only 31, and is actually doing a lot. So Team Zimbabwe, the bravery, the courage, the charisma, all those issues, Team Zimbabwe, giving ZANU-PF sleepless nights. Just imagine kuti pese Ostalos paanotaura is responded to by Joe Charamba, which means they are at par. They are at par. It shows the power of Ostalos Zimbabwe. It shows the power of Nosun Chamisa and the power of his organization. So if you see these people not being ignored by ZANU-PF, just know that something is happening behind the scenes. And I hope and believe that we are going to realize change as soon as possible, because the people of Zimbabwe, they want change. The people of Zimbabwe, they want a better life. The people of Zimbabwe, they want things to start moving in a different direction. Let me try to take a look and check if there are comments right here. Let me see if I can find comments right here. Okay, I don't know if I will be able to bring those comments right here, but I wanted to. So it's now something else, but I wanted to bring these comments right here onto the screen. But muri kutirovera basa, ndinokushuvirai zvakanaka zvikuru. Zvikanzi, when are you coming to Bulawayo? Zvikanzi, shouldn't you guys first sit down, draft and adopt a constitution and other guidance documents? So these people simply ask, but I don't believe that these are necessary questions. I hate Chabango more every time I see international organizer Chibaya. Imagine saying this man from Norway ceased to be a member of Triple C and you recall him. Pure witchcraft. Boramberi comrade Chibaya Way. You guys make us proud, Chamisa chete chete, whether the devil likes it or not. So this is what it is. Amos Chibaya is the best organizing secretary of all time. And this is a show of force by Chamisa, and you guys just showing beating and company the middle finger. Okay. And forward ever, victory is in the horizon. Bouncing back stronger is the only thing. NC President Wabantu. Okay. No party formations, no elections. In Zimbabwe, let's unite with one purpose, the purpose of liberating ourselves from ZANU-PF. Okay. So this is what is happening in Team Zimbabwe. This was the event which was taking place in the Midlands province. And it is what it is. We'll continue to give you updates about what is happening in the nation of Zimbabwe.